Alright, so we're now on Red Hills Road, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Over to the right is Price Right Town Center, and down the road leads to the foot of Red Hills. We'll take the left right here, which will bring us onto MOLYNES Road. So you know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and it's Rush for more reviews. This is where we highlight everything positive in Jamaica: construction, development, roads, hotel, places of recreation. That's what we do. So they recently patched this road. It was super very bad, and as you can see, the large patches, that's really made a big difference. How is everybody doing? Everybody's safe? Everybody's still hiding from Corona? Who has taken the vaccine? What are your thoughts on the vaccine? Let me know in the comments. You know, we also signed a newspaper the other day where a major company, you know, gave employees directives to take the vaccine in 14 days or they will be forced to resign, and the government had to respond, you know, just saying that no company can force an employee to take the vaccine. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. It's not a vaccine video, but you know, Corona is in the topics every day, all day. So we are on MOLYNES, and we're heading to the direction of Boulevard. So some of these communities that we're passing right now is like Valentine's Gardens, MOLYNES Gardens. You know, some very nice communities. You guys can correct me, but I think you would probably class them in the middle class residential communities. Most of the homes would be like 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, 6 bedrooms. Decent sized lots. So the intersection of Sunrise Drive right here. Sunrise Drive on the left will bring you back up onto Red Hills Road. And then prices for most homes in these communities will start for, I would say, around 25 or 22 to 25 mil Jamaican dollar going up. We have Three Oaks around this corner. Then we have UNDN on the left. And these are some of the communities I would have covered more in depth as well. So if you check the channel, you'll see, you know, more detailed videos of these branching communities like Three Oaks, UNDN, MOLYNES Gardens, and so forth. So Three Oaks on the right, and then UNDN community coming up on the left. And as usual, guys, if you're from any one of these communities, grew up in these communities, living in these communities, just let me know in the comment section. And remember to comment, guys. Remember to like the video. That really helps, and it helps YouTube to push the video to new viewers that have never seen the channel before. Remember to subscribe if you're new. And you know, share the video to your social media platform, whether Facebook, your WhatsApp status, Instagram. You know, probably somebody will see the video because of you that really want to and need to see the video because of whatever the situation is. So even just sharing is a way of supporting the channel. I know some persons will donate through PayPal to provide financial support because it does, you know, take time and cost to do all these videos. So some persons donate to the channel through PayPal, and the links is in the description. But if it's even sharing the video on Facebook, that really helps as well. If it's commenting, that helps. So everything you do really helps the channel, and I do appreciate it. So we're at the intersection of MOLYNES and the Washington Boulevard. Very major intersection. You know, most of the traffic coming in from Spanish Town past here, and traffic going out to Spanish Town. Straight ahead leads into Halfway Tree, the major city for Jamaica, and to the left can also bring it into Halfway Tree as well. So straight ahead leads up to MOLYNES Road, and we're gonna take the right and go down Boulevard. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the morning drive, and comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Alright, so we're at the intersection of Marvelly and Jewsland. So to the right is Marvelly, inner city community. To the left is Jewsland, another inner city community as well. So stay tuned as we continue down Boulevard. So this is the intersection of Kenil Drive and the community of Pembroke Hall. So Pembroke Hall on the right, the street is Kenil Drive, and the Boulevard Shopping Center is also over there. To the left you have Dairy Industries. That's one of the few, I would say, manufacturing and distribution companies still alive. They deal with milk-based products. So we'll continue down Boulevard. So again, guys, leave your comments. Let me know what you think. On the right you'll see a lot of traffic heading into Kingston. So this is Spanish Town traffic, Maypen, Old Harbour traffic, and even people probably coming from Montego Bay, Ocho. So that traffic is heading into Kingston. So this is the intersection of Washington Gardens on the left, and that leads back to Spanish Town Road, and then down the road coming is gonna be Duane Park, and then we end the video basically out there. So Duane Park coming up, And again, we're on the boulevard, so it's a boulevard drive, just highlighting some of the communities. We're coming from around Red Hills Road, we came on to MOLYNES Road, and now we're on the boulevard. Alright guys, so we have Corville Gardens on the left, for inner city community, and then we have Duane Park on the right as well. So these are two of the last communities before you enter the Mandela Highway, which basically starts after we finish this stoplight. So again, leave your comments, let me know what you're thinking, let me know what you think about the video, and remember to like, remember to share, and I'll definitely see you on another driving video. Thanks for watching, guys.